Hi guys, my name is Jillian and I am part of Collab 4! This is my introduction video. I am 15 years old, I am left-handed. This one. I love YouTube. I've always kind of loved YouTube. I love YouTubers, not exactly. I love like the viral videos, but it was kind of, I've always loved YouTubers. And that's kind of why I wanted to be one. I'm also kind of obsessed with makeup, so if you want like kind of a makeup theme video, you can totally request that, and I will probably fulfill your request. I really do like doing that. I'm kind of a big nerd, and I love TV shows, and Frozen is my obsession right now. But I love TV shows. If you watched one, I've probably watched it, so we can bond over that. That'd be really cool. I'm really looking forward to this channel and kind of meeting all of you guys and seeing what you guys have to say about our channel. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos every single week, and each one of us is going to go on a certain day. Mine is Tuesday, so happy Tuesday. And we all make a video on Sunday together, hopefully, if we can all kind of coordinate that. But like challenges and tags we'll all do together. So that would be really fun, and we're looking for you guys' requests. So totally do that. And thank you for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will have all my information linked down below.